Watching more Quabim do Badum TV, Badwam Jumadi, so yet Apostle Dr. Nita Kutegwa say, Nim Cranshanson. The Edu Sono ya Badwam Cassian, the Obertia will move in the Colebo Quino. They say Adane o Fidi into almost 10 penny force 1 million mawon. Yabakwa from plains na Honso Yakwa Kosha, Dishiano air stress and Kibenya anti-robbery task force, Wamunya Bio, Honakron for Hawon. And only Simbin and Opay Medebro, Adom TV, Badwam Cassie, Mididi Fear. Amankwa Tamaklo afia ni de miente said en semni chemu etie Adrobo 4 year one more for Kolebu Teaching Hospital kwano so na esu no ekwan ne nye kra ensuo toto ekra de ene ha dwen traffic was so enkwanhia so si was nti wo mo sre road minister so wo meye sa kwan no ema wo
akwan wi a ye nam so yi sa kwan fun ya ye nam so yi bo de mentwa road wet se police want to use car and so we road wet no ya man tua no ntino police ba jimi sika so na makotua na me nam sa kwanfo we sie so a masa wo gidi sa emwa be pa na de be koso o man mu enya possible say me nam sa kwanfo we sie so na matua road wet and I say be just one day na police ba chiwa ju sika sa delay time masa ahomete so mu pese ntum furo man mu a o mo kan kire ntum furo man mu
kwan no ye no wanye mfisi traffic la wanye mfisi traffic la tasa ye bone so you be see traffic light nasi na ye ho toye sa adinta ma ye wa ho kire mu
ye bre pa kwa ni nyinja ban ni hwere mo na se de ekodi enye
adehye ya womo ewo kwawu from plains north ye poyemantemu se womo hia anti robbery task force na wo meboa won bi efise akwamukafo akromfo ha won adwen pa
anti robbery fo no amofo momra biem because ne ma ekoso ha no ya ebetom wa ube hu obi a ye be wrobo ube hie obi a onam kwan mu a okọ na fom kura wan hwe abeka se wono a ube bo no
no mu bisa obi sika motor driver bi sika ba mu bisa no so oni bi ana mu twa na chi ese twa ne nsaka ho ti no mu train driver no mu di ni dwura fom ana mu di anyina seketa wo fom no mu tietia ye so eti na me nso me sika hye me bag im 25 million. I know my J bag, no, a free means some no more so bagging. And I scan it off from I know more fire, no more side woman, Sabashi, no for my ass in now.
Kofi Fodjo, a acting coordinating director, ewa from Plains North Mention anymore. Wachiremu say, when Neka Biomufu na, Edi in Kitahon, wash a quanya, what the anti robbery task force ever back room honomo.
I say, Yetimi, ye assessment, na ye share how effective. And I say how combative, and I say how prepared the emergency preparedness are if it calls for say anti-robbery task force no you be deploy or more. Why not? It seems it will be an improvement, and I say it will be an enhancement to combat all these menaces.
ACP Clomega Christopher, divisional commander, ewo krum honomo. Wani amani boni enkomo twetwe mu no. Wode atote mamufuo nyina enum se wonka wakoma ento wonyem esan se bambo adwumayefo ebeyire banbo mu ewo krum ho.
But I'm giving them the assurance that we have not lost control over the situation. We are in control. We are totally in control of the situation. The Wednesday incident, which has become the reference point, as I'm talking to you, 4 suspects have been arrested.
Ghana Mampani John Dramani Mahama says Ghana yen sidi no September 4 mu biem se bia 10 and 12 a ebe ha dwe pa di chichu ne won mu a ede ne ma free memo konkrofo aman so no na the Federation of Associations of Ghanaian Exporters one more call honstra no den semi etuja.
The recent appreciation in the value of the cedi is one that we have kept watching. As the cedi started to strengthen and the dollar depreciated, it's, I mean, with our A-level economics, we all know that it's a balance between imports and exports. What it means is that it makes your imports cheaper and your exports more expensive. And so there must be a fair balance to try and achieve the true value of the cedi.
What it to exporters see any say this is say Ghana sika no ejina ne nan so brane no omo modern say wadi bedidwa na wanya mfaso efri mu
both to encourage our exports but at the same time not make imports so cheap that importers will flood our markets with toothpicks and, biscuits and coconut. And so it's a challenge to our exporters to take advantage of the cedi's appreciation, because then the advantage you also have is raw materials can be cheaper. Fuel has gone down, so transporting your products and all that will be cheaper. Port charges will go down. And so it has incentives for you. And at the same time, it has incentives for importers. But I'm asking the importers not to take advantage of it and flood us with all the, Nkatia burger and things that they bring from other countries.
Also, 4 years, we share energy so na parliamentary committee no aton safre no mechire mu baby ECG containers no ne yira na ho nsam no akwakoduru wi akire no na adan nsam foforo fi se committee member bi bisa na sembia no kan bibi kire no a owura jonjena pobo anyu so ntidi ekoso wo ho eni.
Now is that let's wait and reconcile the figures to see what it means, and let's be very frank. There was a rush into the media to create a certain impression that something was done, something wrong had happened. That was it. Now we are being told that 2,600 something have been found at the same port.
You can say they are missing. But if something is missing, you look for it. What is wrong with looking for missing containers? What is the problem? Let's even assume it's missing. Let's take it that they were missing or whatever. But if they can't find them, they are missing. If they were not missing, they would have found them. If it's missing, so but you are saying you held a press conference and said they were not missing. You were categorical, and then that is the so let it be so. Then what is the issue? Then where is the argument? There's no argument.
Which means they were not missing. They were not missing.
So what is it? No, let's even assume they were not missing. What is the issue?
But then the narration is totally different now. It's different now.
I don't even see the argument.
Yenye no so na Adom TV Badwam kase no yemfansi ha yeda sembre ne adaje a wode ema ye de bonkrata no ne online de no to so wonyem pie ye de a ai wo kwa pa umbrella bi nkra no so yenhyehyɛ wo mu pullovers no ne ade na ensuo no gugu wo ye hai nti ebia na ho de enhye ase nti wo hwɛ weather pattern na no address accordingly na tumi aboa wadaroma ye kwaba de bonkrata no ne online de ato so